viens me blank bonjour. It means come me blank good morning. Ici, numéro 11. So, nous avons A, saluer. B, to greet or honor someone. A, B, parler. Parler is to talk or to speak. C, dire. Dire is to tell or see. And D is voir. Voir is to see. So the correct answer is dire. Ici, viens me dire. Viens me dire. Ici, viens me dire. Non. Viens me dire. Ici, bonjour. Because of bonjour, you could use saluer. If bonjour were absent. But now that we have bonjour, we have to use dire. Viens me dire bonjour. 12. Numéro 12. Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi. Et demain sera ... Aujourd'hui, c'est samedi. Et demain sera ... Today is Saturday. And tomorrow will be blank. So we have A, dimanche, Sunday. B, Monday, lundi. C, jeudi, Thursday. D, vendredi, Friday. The correct answer is dimanche. So if today is Saturday, so tomorrow will be Sunday. Numéro 13. Nous avons l'homme vend des chemises et des robes. C'est un ... The man sells shirts and robes. It is a blank. Ici. A, vendeur, seller. B, voleur, thief. C, professeur, professor. D, pêcheur, fisherman. So the correct answer is vendeur et seller, because he sells shirts. See, the man sells shirts and robes. He is a seller, vendeur. Numéro 14. Quel âge as-tu? What age? It literally means what age do you have? Have you? You see, what age have you? So to mean what is your age, or how old are you? Now, A. J'ai froid. I feel cold. B. Je vais bien. I'm fine. C. Je mange bien. I eat well. D. J'ai 10 ans. I'm 10 years old. The correct answer is 10 years old. See, I'm 10 years old. How old are you? J'ai 10 ans. I'm 10 years old. It literally means I have 10 years old. To mean I'm 10 years old in English. Now, numéro 15. Elle est malade. Elle prend ... She is sick. She takes blank. A. De la bière, beer. B. De l'aspirine. Some of the aspirin. Medicine. C. Du vin, wine. D. De l'eau, water. So the correct answer is de l'aspirine. So elle est malade. She is sick. She takes aspirin. The aspirin should be here. Okay. Yes, she takes that medicine. Now, nous avons 16. J'ai faim. Je veux ... It literally means I have hungry. To mean I'm hungry. In French, this is the way we say it. J'ai faim. Like I have hungry. It literally means I have hungry, but it means in English, you have to translate it into English like I'm hungry. So yeah, je veux means I want. Now we have A. Dormir, to sleep. B. Parler, to talk. C. Manger, to eat. D. Courir, to run. The correct answer is manger. Is manger. So manger has to be here. J'ai faim, je veux manger. I'm hungry, I want to eat. D. 17. Le cocotier est ... The coconut tree is blank. Donc, A. Un arbre est tree. It's a tree. B. Un animal. An animal. C. An insect. D. Un fruit. A fruit. So the correct answer is un arbre. See? Yes, un arbre. The coconut tree is a tree. It's not an animal, but it is a tree. Un arbre. Un arbre. Un arbre. Numéro 18. 18. Le professeur corrige les point. The professor corrects the blank à classes. B. Tableau, boards or blackboards. C. Devoir, homework or exercises. D. Blank is ban is benches. So the correct answer is devoir. You see, the teacher, le professeur or the professor corrects the homework. See, homework. So homework should be here. Should be there. Numéro 19. Le ... se trouve dans l'eau. The blank is located in the water. A. Mouton, sheep. B. Poisson, fish. C. Chat, cat. D. Chien, dog. The correct answer is le poisson. Le poisson ici. The fish. To me, it should be here. It should be here. See. To mean the fish is located or lives in water. In the water. Nous avons numéro 20. Numéro 20. L'orange est ... The orange is blank. A. Un bâton. Un bâton is a stick. B. Une poupée. Une poupée is a doll or a toy. C. Un journal, a journal or newspaper. Nous avons D. Un fruit. So the correct answer is un fruit. A fruit. Should be here. See. Now to mean the orange is a fruit. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.